Just when Long Yi was thinking of a way to compress water magic elements within his sea of consciousness, two people were floating in the distant sky. Looking at their figures, they ought to be women, and were precisely coming towards the direction of Long Yi. After they got increasingly closer, one could clearly see that one of them was a young girl wearing white priest robe with a veil covering her face. She possessed a pair of crystal clear eyes, and her forehead was bright and clean. Moreover, she possessed a worthy of pride figure that could not trademark be covered by that priest robe she was wearing. And beside her, there was a very attractive maid. It seems these two were master and servant. This movement, the maid-attired young girl had her eyes closed tightly, and her attractive face was seized as if she was very scared. A princess, lead a trademark s descend, my heart is going to jump out the maid said in a trembling voice. That young girl wearing priest robe used her free hand to wipe the fragrant sweat from her forehead, and said in her crisp voice, wait a minute, I can still preserve for a little while, we must hurry over to Maya Principality as soon as possible This young girl who was called Princess gritted her teeth and continued to fly forward. And just when she reached the woods where Long Yi was located, she stopped. And her soft-looking breasts rose and fell, obviously was already exhausted. A princess, I want to pee this maid helped her master to wipe her sweat, then said while blushing. The young girl looked all around, then pointing towards that woods, she said, go inside there and settle it, I will be the lookout for you This maid impatiently rushed into the woods, untied her belt and squatted down, then the sound of urgent stream hitting on the ground resounded. This maid let out a relaxed sigh, as at long last she was finally able to liberate after suppressing for a long while. While at it, she raised her head and via the gap in trees' leaves, she saw something. Suddenly her body shook, and her eyes revealed alarmed and panicky expression, and her pee stopped midway. She immediately screamed, causing countless birds to fly with a start. The young girl outside also heard the scream of her maid, and without thinking, she immediately rushed inside. Then she saw her maid was staggering back while pulling her pants. Right now more than half of her shining white buttocks was completely exposed in air. A little cooey, what happened? This young girl immediately arrived in front of this maid, and supporting her, she asked. Over there. The face of this maid was alarmed and panicky while pointing towards her back as if that place had a fearsome monster. Adana trademark be afraid, what is over there? That young girl cast spirit defend magic towards the maid, then asked again. Little Kui slightly calmed down, then fastening up her pants, she said, a princess, there is someone there Simeon. That young girl was dumbfounded. Just now she didn't trademark sense any aura of humans inside the woods. The young girl pulled little Kui and walked into the woods. Not long after, they arrived at the place where little Kui had let water out just a moment ago. Looking carefully, they saw 5 people whose whole body was covered with black robe were standing motionlessly while facing different direction as if a pillar. No wonder little Kui was so frightened. When a girl was in the middle of urinating and feeling relaxed, if she suddenly discovered 5 people of this kind, then a little bit frail girl would have fainted on the spot. The young girl quietly sized up these 5 strange people. Even though both of them were obviously in front of them, but they nevertheless treated both of them as air. Excuse me, may I ask who you all are? The young girl asked. You can imagine the result. All 5 of them stood there motionlessly as before as if they didn't trademark hear anything. The young girl creased her beautiful brows. Then alertly began to slowly step forward. She wanted to see whether these people were human or ghost. Suddenly, just when this young girl stepped forward, those as if pillars 5 people covered in black robes simultaneously turned towards her direction, then 2 deep blue sword slashes advanced towards her in an extreme speed. A white light burst out from the body of this young girl, forcibly resisting these 2 sword slashes, and this young girl was also jolted several steps back. A great swords master, the young girl exclaimed in surprise. Now if she hadn't trademark worn a bracelet with holy light barrier sealed within it, then those 2 sword slashes would have taken her life. And what made this young girl surprise was, after attacking her, those black-robed people again stood back at their respective position, changing back to being a pillar, completely ignoring her. Gradually, this young girl saw a number of clues. As long as she took 2 steps towards them, these 5 people would attack her, and if she retreated, then they would revert back to their previous state. Could it be that they are not human? The young girl thought about a possibility, but she, as a light master magician, however, didn't trademark sense any dark or undead aura. In other words, they were not undead. Then what could they be? There was also the possibility that they were death soldiers that had undergone brutal training, who would faithfully and mechanically execute the command of their master, regardless of anything else. A princess, we should leave. They look so scary. Little Kui pulled the sleeve of this young girl and said fearfully. No, this princess have to see what the hell is going on here today. The young girl said while frowning. The maid was powerless, as she herself was a maid and the other person was her princess. So she could only shrink behind the princess, praying that people-eating monster wouldn't trademark jump at her. Inside the spirit barrier within the woods, beads of sweats were continuously flowing down from the forehead of Long Yi. Currently, the pale blue light around his body would suddenly get strong, and again would suddenly get weak. This was a very strange sight. Outside the barrier, Violent Lightning Beast and Little Three were alertly looking all around. They were the inner line of defense Long Yi had arranged, and as for those 5-7 baleful puppets, they were the first line of defense. This moment, the water magic elements within Long Yi trademark SC of consciousness, under the effect of his powerful spirit power, were already beginning to shrink, and their density also got increasingly bigger. When they shrunk to half the previous size, the thickness of this water magic element was already so high that they seemed solid. Not yet, must shrink it a little more. Long Yi though while gritting his teeth. Then he slightly increased the strength of his spirit power. He didn't trademark believe that he wouldn't trademark be able to shrink it again. After a long time without a success, the stubbornness of Long Yi was also ignited. He immediately increased the strength of spirit power to its limit, risking his life to compress water magic element within his sea of consciousness. At that time, Long Yi suddenly heard muffled explosion sound within his mind, and his sea of consciousness became a blank space. What a bad look, this time trademark am done for. This was the final thought of Long Yi when his sea of consciousness blew up. But it turned out that the luck of Long Yi was still very good. After his consciousness became blank for a brief moment, the consciousness of Long Yi slowly reverted back, and he only sensed magical power flooding all over his body. CreativeNovels.com approved only. Under great happiness, Long Yi hastily inspected his sea of consciousness, and seeing the circumstance, he was confused. Besides water magic elements, other magic elements didn't trademark have any changes. Merely those powerful water magic elements however had changed into a thumb-sized blue crystal, which emitted sparkling blue rays of lights. Can it be that this is magic core? Long Yi muttered in a daze. But only magical beast has magic core. How can a human cultivate a magic core? This simply was something that was unheard of. Long Yi opened his eyes, and his eyes were filled with confusion. This was too absurd. Eating this icicle fruit resulted in refining a magic core. He wondered whether other people would treat him as a magical beast if they knew about it. A freeze over magic. Long Yi removed his spirit barrier, and 2 cold chi hit both Violent Lightning Beast and Little Three, immediately freezing them into ice cubes. Kaka! Both Violent Lightning Beast and Little Three scattered the ice cubes, then discontentedly roared towards Long Yi, as if they were protesting against his despicable sneak attack. Long Yi ignored both of them, then shouting excitedly, he somersaulted in the sky twice. Froze over magic was rank 8 water magic, i.e. was a magic which can only be cast by master magician, which means, his water magic had already broken through to next level. As for that strange water magic core within his sea of consciousness, he didn't trademark worry about it. Even if he was worried, what could he do? Since it was able to make him reach next level, it was a good thing. While he was very excited, Long Yi suddenly thought whether he could cast rank 9 magic or not. Look at my hailstones roar. Long Yi gave his thought a try, then that pale blue sparkling water magic core immediately emitted a powerful water magic element which resonates with the same kind of element from the atmosphere. Instantly a cold wind whistled past, then hailstones as big as a Persona trademark S head rained down from the sky, toppling over the trees. I can cast rank 9 magic too, does that means I have already reached Water Mage realm? Long Yi excitedly thought inwardly. As a matter of fact, with the degree of denseness of each magic elements within his sea of consciousness, his strength should have already reached at least Mage realm, merely don't trademark know why he was continuously stuck in same advanced Magician realm without moving forward. Obviously, people are greedy, so Long Yi again thought whether he could cast rank 10 magic or not, which would mean that he had already stepped into Archmage realm. He excitedly cast rank 10 water magic World of Ice and Snow, resulting in no reaction at all. It seems his water magic had only reached Mage realm. Report this ad. On the other side of the woods, just when that young girl was surprised looking at the front, she suddenly perceived powerful water magic fluctuation inside the woods. Shortly afterwards, she saw exaggerated hailstones raining down from the sky. She had never seen anyone else who was capable of summoning such big hailstones by casting rank 9 water magic. The might of this rank 9 hailstones roar was far more powerful compared to the real one she had ever seen before. At this time, a loudly shouting voice came from inside the woods, making this young girl to believe that a senior who was researching magic was inside there. And that as big as person head hailstones were something he had researched. So not only was she admiring him inside her heart, but was also curious. One should know that it was a very difficult thing to improve the magic. Generally, people could improve low-level magic, but no one had ever heard that there was someone who was able to improve magic above rank 7. Thus, this Her Highness the Princess made up her mind to know this elder, and if possible, she would invite him to her country. Then her father would surely praise her greatly. After the excitement, Long Yi also perceived that there was someone outside, so he flew out just like a rock outside the woods. After Long Yi descended from the sky, those 5-7 baleful puppets immediately stood behind him in unison. Long Yi sized up this young girl in white priest robe in surprise. Although her face was covered with a veil, but looking at this girl trademark S temperament, he immediately understood that she was definitely a matchless beauty, furthermore of a noble birth. That young girl also looked at Long Yi trademark S that young handsome leisurely face, and a suspicion appeared on her face as if she was thinking about something. Suddenly, her expression changed and cried out in alarm, "iur Zimenu a euro." CreativeNovels.com approved only.